Okay, what I have here is just a little lip sync animation test that I'm doing. I just realized that right there needs to be fixed. I'm actually a bit surprised, like the response of the camera and the picture on its refresh rate is practically immediate. It is one-to-one with all my movements, so I could use this in tandem to make adjustments. I have it set to black and white mode right now, just so I don't have the color of the light surrounding me sort of dictating the quality of the picture. So I have it. So yeah, that's why my hands are all black and white. So alright, let me turn this off and let's actually do the animation itself.